Okay, Class A, what I wanted to do was take the opportunity to walk you through some of the things that you can be using within our course as we get ready for the final exam. So the first thing that you're going to see when you go to our class homepage is actually the classroom bulletin board. So we're going to take a look at those in a minute. The next thing that you'll be utilizing is the schedules, and the schedules are on the right hand side under the course information widget. So if you click on the schedule that is appropriate for your section enrollment, you're going to be able to download, if you haven't already done so, you're going to be able to take a look and see exactly what you should be doing the last couple weeks of class. So day by day, what the calendar looks like as we get near the final exams. The next thing that you're going to see is the end of semester at a glance, some deadlines that you need to be very aware of. And what I always suggest to students is to put these deadlines and these due dates into your phone calendar so that you do get alerts, say about 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., just to make sure that you are remembering when certain things are due. So what you would do is for example, tomorrow, Wednesday, May 1st, you have a deadline and you've got to submit the work from April 24th through April 30th. On Friday, this is something that you haven't had at all semester. You have to submit work from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So May 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, you're going to have to submit the work that is in your calendar, which would be downloaded on the right-hand side under that course information widget. So then you have the final week of class at a glance. There is a late work deadline for this Friday due date. Then we have our final exam, and you don't need to take the final for 2 days. There are not two parts to it. We just allow for students to take it either Wednesday or Thursday. So that would be May 8th or May 9th. You could take it from midnight on Wednesday up until just about midnight on Thursday. You will only be able to open it one time, so make sure that you carve out about 90 minutes to sit down and take the final exam. Another thing I want you to take a look at is below the calendar, you have some helpful information. For example, this is just a visual representation of some of the grammar that you're learning in Module 12. This is a little joke to practice the vocabulary for Module 12. What we have here is an image that says we have a lot of recordings available if you want any grammar review. And the recordings would be under the links section on the right-hand side of our homepage. So take a look, find the module that you want to review, and it's just a recording of me going through some of the notes, some of the practices that you will see in the content. So that's all on the right-hand side. So I mentioned earlier that you have the class bulletin board, and these are all live links to different things you could do to prepare for the final exam. So if you want to go through your missed quiz questions, this is a video in this first box here that will show you how to view any question that you've missed on grammar quizzes or tests this semester. The next link is our final exam extra credit opportunity. It's the last one of the semester and the only one that is currently available. So if you want to earn a little bit of extra credit to boost your grade before final exam, on this yellow box and follow all of the instructions listed. Here is the link to the Jigsaw chat. Next week, we're going to have our final exam review session, so that will be Tuesday, May 7th. If you log in, you'll be able to ask any questions you have regarding the final exam. This is not a link, it's just a reminder to practice vocabulary by taking the vocabulary quizzes. You could take them over and over again for additional practice. This is a video tutorial on checking feedback on the Dropbox items in the course. So if you have any questions about how you performed on an assessment that you uploaded to the Dropbox, you can click on this tutorial and it'll show you how to read the feedback that I gave you. And the final link that's available on the bulletin board is the final exam study guide. This is a Word document that you will download when you click on the link, and I'm going to actually pull up the document just to really quickly show you what it looks like. It is just a Word document with several links for every module we've done this semester. And it also explains which grammar concept we were covering. The reason why I don't link any vocabulary practice is because, like I mentioned, you can practice the vocabulary by taking your vocabulary quizzes over again. Those are not for a grade, and it is endless, the opportunity that you have there. So you can keep taking it until you feel like you've mastered all the vocabulary. So here are just the grammar. So now I'm going to go back to the home page, and hopefully you found something that will help you as you prepare for the final exam next week. And of course, you can always email if you have any questions. If you need the email address, it is also on the right-hand side of the home page under the Teacher Information widget. So make sure you utilize that if you need any help. Thank you very much.